I'm Darren ni Casidlac. I will answer 9.46 from the book Quantitative Chemical Analysis by Hamilton and Simpson. The example problem containing acidmetry and alkalimetry. But we are focusing on acidmetry. This is the problem. A sample consisting of sodium carbonate and sodium hydroxide and the matter weighs 1.179 gram. It is titrated with 0.3 normality hydrochloric acid with phenolphthalein as the indicator. And the solution becomes colorless after the addition of 48.16 ml. Methyl orange is then added and 24.08 ml more of the acid are needed for the color change. What is the percentage of sodium hydroxide in a sodium carbonate? First step is to know the given. 0.3 normality hydrochloric acid. Then, the volume of the acid that has phenolphthalein is 48.16 ml. And the volume of the acid with methyl orange is 24.08 ml. And the sample is 1.179 gram. We have two equations that can be identified from the problem. First equation is sodium carbonate plus sodium hydroxide is equal to the volume of the acid that has phenolphthalein indicator and the molarity of hydrochloric acid. And the second equation is sodium carbonate is equal to the volume of the acid with methyl orange times the molarity of hydrochloric acid. The next thing to do is convert the normality to molarity. Normality is equal to molarity times F, where F is the number of H or OH, or the number of electrons in a half reaction. .3 normality HCl is equal to molarity times F, where F is 1 because there is only one H. So 0.3 normality HCl is equal to 0.3 molarity HCl. Next thing to do is convert milliliters to liters. 24.08 ml times 1 over 1000 to convert to liters is equal to 0.02408 liters. The second one is 48.16 ml times 1 over 1000 to convert to liters. The answer is 0.04816 liters. Next thing to do is to plug in the values. Sodium carbonate is equal to the volume of the acid used with the indicator methyl orange is 0.02408 times the molarity of hydrochloric acid is 0.3. The answer is 0.007224 mole. Then plug in the values to equation 1. Sodium carbonate plus sodium hydroxide is equal to the volume of the acid with the indicator phenolphthalein times the molarity of hydrochloric acid. Then plug in the values. We all know that the sodium carbonate is 0.007224 mole plus sodium hydroxide is equal to the volume of the acid with the indicator phenolphthalein is 0.04816 liters. The liters is cancelled because of the molarity of HCl. The molarity of HCl is 0.3. The answer is 0.014448 mole. We can do the algebra. Transpose the values. Then you can get sodium hydroxide, where it is 0.07224 mole. Then we need to convert mole to grams to get the percentage. First, sodium hydroxide is 0.00724 mole times the formula weight of NaOH over 1 mole. The answer is 0.287998 gram. Next is sodium carbonate, 0.00724 mole times the formula weight of sodium carbonate is equal to 0.76567 gram. Next is to get the percentage. Sodium hydroxide is 0.287998 gram over the sample, 1.179 grams, times 100 is equal to 24.43% of NaOH. Next, sodium carbonate, 0.76567 gram over the weight sample, 1.179 gram, times 100. The answer is 64.94% of Na2CO3. That's the answer. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.